Hello, welcome back. I just wanted to follow up to the video that I posted just the other day, and I'll put that up here in the corner if you missed it and you want to check it out. Now, on the top here, I have the GoPro 13 black footage, and on the bottom is the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro footage, both in 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, this time I applied a creative LUT to both shots to give it a little more pop and color, which I didn't do in the previous video. I wanted to post this kind of a part 2 video because I felt the previous comparison may not have been completely fair to the O4 Air Unit Pro footage, as the GoPro 13 footage on the top was shown in a wide field of view, while the O4 Air Unit Pro field of view was shot in an ultra wide field of view. You can see that here. And if I shot the O4 Air Unit footage in a wide field of view as well, I think it would have been a bit more fair in the comparison. Now, I did kind of state that in the previous video, but I wasn't sure if it was completely clear, and hopefully this gives a better representation of that in this video. Also, the white square in the bottom clip represents the field of view you're getting out of the GoPro. So again, both of these clips were stabilized with either the GoPro's HyperSmooth Pro or DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 Plus image stabilization. Again, the GoPro 13 Black can shoot in several field of views, including linear, wide, super view, and hyper view, while the O4 Air Unit's field of view either shoots in standard, wide, or ultra wide. Just something to keep in mind as well. Now, I do still personally prefer the GoPro stabilized footage, just my preference if I had to pick a clear winner, again, and for what I like. And I go into that a little bit in more detail in the other video as well. But in the interest of transparency, I just wanted to be clear on how the footage was shot in both of these cameras. And again, both of these cameras have so many features and settings to play around with. It's almost impossible to demo and compare all of them side by side. The field of views will change in both cameras depending on aspect ratios used, 16:9, 4:3, 9:16, etc., as well as the field of view values and some other settings as well. So just keep that in mind. And I'll mention I will be doing a follow-up comparison video using or setting both cameras to a wide field of view setting as soon as I get some new 6S batteries in, that is. Obviously, I destroyed the previous two I had, not watching the voltage as I was flying. So I hope you'll check back once I'm able to upload those videos. That's it for me. Enjoy the rest of the footage. And if it provided you any value at all, please be sure to give it a like. It's appreciated. Any questions, feel free to hit me down in the comments. I'll see you all in the next video. See you soon.